This video will make you feel smart as you share with group members how you learn to do special contracts. Here is the special contracts offers page. I read here, a few select retailers, blah, blah, blah. Look, someone wants to cut a deal with you for a very big order. It's the Walmart of action capture cameras. The only thing they care about that is stopping them from going with your competition is this, your value index. They blend up the price, the PQ rating, and the number of models into this glorious emulsion. This is what makes up the value index. Can you guess which one of these is the most important to them? Yes, it's the price. Now this is very important. Glo-Bus is built a little funny. Every time you try to offer a bigger discount, it will give you an error message when you reduce your cash flow to 0. The big secret is that in a race to the bottom, it's the company with the lowest variable production costs that prevails. This allows for the deepest discount and yields the highest value index. But what if I haven't been listening to the business simulation coaches and don't have the lowest variable production costs? Well, then the best strategy is to offer the biggest discount possible, because of course you don't want anyone else getting the special contracts. If you do have this competitive advantage of production costs, we recommend that you pick a discount that balances the winning contract with maximizing your cash flow. Only then should you click yes, you are expected to win the contract. If you like this content, please like it. If you want the free Glo-Bus forecasting sheet to easily and correctly fill in those pesky red numbers at the bottom of the marketing pages, subscribe and then hit the link in the description.